all this activity in the background. I thought I'd do a little landscaping, but I mean, this is ridiculous.
I'm telling you, you certainly brought out all the stops with this construction here. Wow.
I think that these guys are so happy to be a little more out of such tight security with COVID. You know, they're still, I know they're all vaccinated because I asked them. And
Good.
they told me they were. And I said, okay, as long as you guys stay on that outer part. And they said, we will, ma'am.
Safety all around, and I'm sure they're lucky to be. Here we are with the Delta variant in our population these days. But like every good friend, take the stealth approach to safety. Patti. I know you're looking out for me.
I want you to tie this on the strap. And that's so when we walk a little closer, they'll know
we're here.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's a good idea.
I do too.
Okay, safety, so they might just see this and be like,
Well,
they're okay and we're okay.
right. Like
Okay,
it's
good.
flagging tape.
Okay, excellent. Is this
Okay.
something I could wear on an evening walk?
You know what, I think you could.
Okay, or good idea. Good idea. It's hard to even keep up these days.
It sure is.
Excellent. Well, let's take a walk.
Okay.
Oh, and you gave me my...
I know.
Okay, excellent.
Well, you could like put it under your chin and put it up all over your ears.
Ooh, good idea. Okay,
Excellent.
let's
All right.
make it happen. Let's do it. Okay. Let's go. I'm so glad we got our cups. Cheers. Let's do a toast before we walk over.
Cheers.
Life goes on.
Life goes on. Cheers. Double cheers.
I can hardly hear you.
Oh,
Definitely safety at work.
okay. Let's go see
Okay.
what we can find.
Okay.
Come on, girlfriend.
Go.
Go.
Do you have questions for the construction workers?
I don't know if we should talk to them. Why don't we get behind the shrub? And then they won't really know we're here, and we might be able to surprise them with the way.
Oh, super good. Okay, let's go over. Let's go. I'm behind you. Like I did the whole thing. Wait. Okay, well, like always, I love that we're thinking the same thing.
I know.
So, here's to housing pandemic.